Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Health for Wellness Coach with Uma Gupta. Today I would like to introduce you to the best healer in the world. Oh, I just forgot. That best healer is there within you. You just need to connect with it, close your eyes, get connected with it, and just listen to its every call. The power of this best healer is that it sits within you and nourishes you with the life force, the vital force, which enhances the vitality of your physical, emotional, and mental body. But what happens when you feel unhealthy? Where is this life force? So, it so happens because of our erratic lifestyle or the ability not to resonate with your natural state, we pollute our body with overeating the foods which are not in natural state or living an exhaustive lifestyle. It goes out of tune. The life force starts depleting and we feel constant idiopathic fatigue and unrest within our body. So the purpose of this video today is to share 4 secrets of restoring your health back. As I said, this natural healer restores your natural health and resonates with the nature of the universe. So the first secret of restoring your health back is nourishing yourself with the foods which are as natural as possible, which haven't been processed and are intact with the nutrients within them, haven't been fiddled with juicing or with cooking or with any other processing media. So is true for hydrating your body with the sufficient alkaline liquids, because 70% of human body is liquid. The second secret is keep your body in action. As per Newton's law, a body at rest is always at rest, but a body in motion gains momentum. So do exercise and stay in touch with nature. Do you know that walking barefoot on ground every day opens up the blood vessels, enhances the blood circulation throughout your body? So don't forget to do that. Secondly, to nourish your body with good prana force, the vital force, do pranic breathing, the rhythmic deep abdominal breathing every day. The third secret is restore your body by giving it sufficient rest. That is, taking a sound sleep of 6 to 7 hours every night. The whole day your body has been working, your subconscious and conscious mind are at work. But at night, you do need to restore your energy back, giving sufficient rest to your mind. And the fourth secret, the most important, is every morning when you wake up, don't forget to express your gratitude to divinity for blessing you with this wonderful healer and the wonderful gift of life. So it is your duty to visualize yourself every day and say this affirmation: I am full of light, I am full of life, I am healthy and bright. So if you wish to restore your health back, please secrets. And in the comment box, I would like to know your secrets of health too. Please do share that with me. And if you like my idea, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you so much. See you